number of 1 bits. Write a function that takes an unsigned integer and returns the number of 1 bits it has. It's also known as the Hamming weight. So what is Hamming weight? In the Wikipedia, it is saying like the number of symbols that are different from the 0 symbol of the alphabet used. So we will ignore the 0 and then the other elements. Right here 0 is only 1, and then we have 4 non-zero elements, so Hamming weight is 4. If everything is 0, we Hamming weight is 0. If 0 is 2, and then everything is not non-zero, so we just count the non-zero values, right? Okay, so we know the Hamming weights. Okay, so if it's given this one, we need to return how many ones in its string in this unsigned integer, right? Okay, so actually it is simple. We will go one by one by one. If it is 1, we will count 1. My logic is simple, but how can we know each bit is 1 or 0? How can we know that? If it is string, we will change to the character and then we can check it. But this one is the unsigned integer, right? So they are the big, right? So okay, if it is big, we can think we can ship one by one, and then for the first time we were not shipping, and we will make an 1. That means we will make an operator with 30 numbers of 0 and 31 0 and then 1. So if we end, we will get, if this one is 1, we will get 1. If it is not, we will get 0, right? So after this one, we will shift 1. So this one is also 1, so we will take 1, we will plus 1, and then we will shift again. So now it is 0. So if it is 0, after we made n, it is now 1, right? So we will get 0. So only 1 after we made an operation to this shifted value. If we got 1, we think the last value is 1 or not, right? If it is 1, we will plus to our reset. Okay, let's go to the logic. I will put 610. Okay, and then I will loop because it is saying it must have a binary string of 32 length. So I will loop 0 to I lost 32 and I plus plus. Okay, how we were gonna get the last bit, right? So we will shift to the right shift I times, and we will end with 1, right? If it is equal to 1, we will plus 1 to our reset, and then we will simply return reset. Okay, cool. So that's it. I'm gonna submit this one. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.